Whoever's here, you have to get out. This ain't your house, it ain't your property, get out.
This weird lady with a blanket is saying that Diego lives in that house and says that the owner needs to get out.
Get your hand off my camera.
I don't have to. You just need to get out this house. Every single house.
Who are you?
Every single house.
Who are you?
This is not your house. Are you Diego?
This is my house.
Are you Diego?
Get off my property, you animal.
You're not Diego, are you?
I'm not Diego. Diego doesn't live here.
Yeah, because Diego owns this house.
Can't even have a bathtub outside anymore. Creeps just come around and take your stuff. This guy shows up and tells the owner that the Mustang and the scooter belongs to him.
Go away.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message,
you need to go away
you can
before I
do it
call the
now.
cops. You've been seen all over town.
Okay, I'm here about the Mustang here and that scooter there.
No, you need to go. These are not your vehicles. I don't know who you are. You need to go.
Okay.
You've got about 5 seconds before I call the cops.
Okay. So
Get off my porch. Now.
Okay. So if that's my scooter and this is my Mustang here, what do I need to do here?
Get off my porch.
Okay. Okay.
Now.
If I have to come and get my car, what do I need to do?
That is not your vehicle. Go away.
Okay. Now, if I have to prove you wrong, just apologize to me.
All right, I'm calling the cops. That's it. I've had it.
Apologize to me when I come and get it and prove it. I'm not going to argue with you. I wouldn't want to give it back either.
Judo? It's Judo. Judo? I'm just trying to see if you had a cup of water, and can I use your phone? Or can I plug my charger up out here?
Dude. I suggest you drop that. Come here.
This guy has a problem. For some reason, he likes to do graffiti on cars. Check out this creepy guy taking homeowner's car battery at daylight.
Or right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
This individual is asking if he can use the bathroom. Let's see if the owner let him in.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
I'll be back tomorrow morning. You can. Can I use your restroom? May I use your restroom, please? Oh, I don't know what you gravitate over here, bro.
Oh, no, bro.
I mean, shit. I know it's kind of late, but I gotta take a piss, bro.
Oh, sorry, you can't come in.
I know. It's random, man. I don't know what it is, but it's just...
All right.
All right, eh?
All right, man.
All right, bro.
Oh, shit, I got a camera.
Get out of there! I'm calling the police! Better get your ass out of here!